line on hoes up, line on cars up. This bitch saw me once, now she shy, got her starstruck. Why you been out since all day, little nigga, get your bars up. Yeah, get your bars. Fucking on the twin, I can't even tell these hoes apart. She love it when I paint her face, hey, she say it's art. I'm with top, with push star. She drop top like a car. Bop, 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 I said that bitch big, yeah, like Walmart. Bet I hit my target, bet I hit her when I throw that dirt. I done hit this bitch, in my tank, hey, I'm sharp. He claim he a dog, but he gon' bite.
Yo, that nigga got it, bro. Yo, that boy, yo. Oh, nah. Popped out with the brother to go look at a car that we're looking for trade. We got Brandoni over here looking at his dream car. Damn, that shit look good. All right, so we got the Z in the garage. I'll be trying to fix some shit up today. We got a bunch of parts, fenders, headlights, hydro kit, clutch won't work, headlight bracket, whole bunch, da 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 da. Don't need to cut that shit open. But yeah, so today we're gonna be replacing the whole core support that's broken, headlights, gonna try to be getting these dents that's out of the hood. I don't even know if y'all can see for real, but I'm gonna be giving it a little makeover today, so we gonna see how it goes. All right, so we're gonna take care of something first I've been looking forward to. Shift knob. This should just thread right on. Cool. Yeah, that'll thread right on. Cool.
Alright, where we at?
Alright, so what I'm thinking first is put that bracket on that I have.
Does it make you trim shit?
No. It fucking literally is just a bracket that comes out and it sits right here. But I don't know if I'm going over. Probably. Yeah.
That's such a big shifter.
Just the ones that they had in stock.
Look like a takeover kit.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
It's just what they use.
Is it? Oh, shaboing. It's a little low. Alright, so I apologize. Nah, that shit was way too much sweat on my forehead from having the GoPro on. So I didn't film any of it. But we got the fenders on. We threw the wheels on for like a little video. These purple ones here, those are gonna be the ones I'm rocking, but as you can see, they're bald as shit. So we're gonna be waiting to mount those and then we'll throw them on the car. Fenders are kind of shitty fitting, but they fit. Headlights, had some issues with the headlights, because as y'all know, my crash on this one fried my ballast, fried the bulb, and new bulbs for these are like 100 each. I don't got that bread right now, bruh. So we're waiting on those. But we're also gonna need to get a new hood because you can still see the vocals and this gap doesn't really work. And this latch is literally slammed in there. So it's a little sketchy. But we went ahead and we fabbed up the handbrake. As you can see in the videos. Fabbed up the handbrake through on the GK Tech long BBC shifter. For the time being, just for one day, we're cooling. Shout out Zach Calvin for the license plate. But she's cooling at the moment. Ain't bad. But at some point, whenever we throw this diff in, we gonna have to take it out for real. You feel me? But all in due time, you know. We out here at a little drift spot right now. We got Ant and his E36. We got Tony. Fucking this video is gonna be like all jump cuts, but it's just gonna be different weekends, different nights that I went out drifting. So we're just gonna compile it all together. Ant's out here learning how to drift. Alright, word. I'm nervous, man. I'm nervous. That motherfucker just maxed, bro. Fuck. Fuck it, man.
Trying to get a good angle. Oh, there he goes. Yo, that nigga got it, bro. Yo, that boy, yo. Oh, nah. He had that shit. 360. He pulling back.
I got a whole bunch of shit in my eyes, bro. Fuck. That's a whole lot of dirt, man. Whole lot of dirt in my eyes. Don't hit the curb.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Yo. Nah.
This one's wider.
Here we go again. Told me to show out. You gonna see.
I'm in New York. What the fuck?
Now, so many of these clips just seem like little random cut-ins, and I'm gonna work on that. I'm just doing like a bad job of narration. Like whenever I'm going to different spots and etc., I'm just filming the drifting. But I need to work on it. Y'all are here with me working this shit out. But I appreciate y'all for watching, like, and subscribe so I can make more of these. I got like another hour of footage to edit for another video, but I don't know. I'm a little lazy, so we'll see how quick another video pops out. And I need tires really bad.